So let's get familiar with the content of the air horn installation kit for the Ural. The kit will come with a precisely designed electrical harness to fit the Urals from 2003 and newer. And the harness will have connectors, plug-and-play connectors, to connect to the points on the bike, to the new air horn, and it will have all the mounting hardware to install the air horn in a very discreet place on the motorcycle. Also, the placement of the horn itself is strategic because for the long-term operation it has to be placed in a certain way in the relation to the bike direction, because the water that can potentially enter the air horn should not be able to enter the air horn, because if it does, the air horn will fail. So the placement of the air horn is done in the way that it will not happen as far as the water damage. So you can see where the horn is located. This is Ural Patrol, and we can see the horn placement is right where the original horn was. So you'd have to unbolt the original horn as listed in the installation instructions, and then this bike that you see here in the video already has the kit installed. So what you will be installing is pretty much air horn, and you can see there is a clamping system and bracketing system that will make installation very, very easy, because all the sizes, they're designed for the Ural frame. You can see the harness layout. It goes into the U-channel of the Ural frame. The U-channel is this metal part that runs just above the engine. And with the supplied wire ties, we will secure the harness. The relay for the horn will be placed right here. The power supply will be pushed through the rad cap and connected to the battery positive terminal. The ground of the wire harness will be connected to the top engine bracket. Here you can see horn bracketing. This is the horn itself. This is the custom-made elbow and the proper clamping right to the frame. This is a project that should take anywhere from 20 minutes to a half an hour. It will take a little longer, possibly up to half an hour on the motorcycles that have a bench seat, because you'd have to remove the bench seat. And for that, here's the bench seat, upside down, that is removed from this Tourist. You can see the mounting hardware, which you will reach from the bottom of the fender, and you will also see this one in the front that you would need to unbolt from here. This does not apply to Urals that are equipped with the vintage style seat like this motorcycle you can see here. This is a limited edition Yamaha. So here you can just do your installation without dealing with the seat. The air horn is a phenomenal safety accessory. We've had many requests, and the reason we created this custom design harness, plug-and-play harness, is because when you have to mate the harness in the quality way. And of course, that's the only way we would do it. Even for professional technician, it may take 2.5 to 3 hours. With this particular harness, it will take professional technician or someone who's doing it for the first time. With just having basic tools, you can do this for under half an hour, a substantial saving. And also, you will not, if you do installation of the air horn with simply plugging in the existing connectors from the standard factory horn, it will damage the switch, it will damage the harness, and you will not have such a solid sound because there will be an amperage draw because of the cable sizing. Well, thank you for viewing this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And please check out the air horn on our e-store at uralme.com. Thank you.